You know, the issue isn't what you do for your client, it's how clearly you convey it. If your marketing sounds like everybody else's and the client can't tell the difference between you and another agent, and by the way, if they can't tell the difference, they are going to choose the cheaper option. Then it's time for you to learn how to translate your experience and your skills into language that a client can understand. And your signature difference helps you do exactly that. You'll identify what truly sets you apart. You're going to turn it into confident talk tracks and you're going to use it consistently so clients get your value quickly and they trust you faster. This isn't about being louder. It is about being clearer. If you're ready to stop blending in and start becoming the obvious choice, click below to sign up for your signature difference.